Good morning, class. Okay, today we're going to be learning about rhythm, and we're going to be tying it in to our cloud lesson. So I need everybody to pay attention. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Okay, what we're going to do is make our way over to the carpet. First, we're going to call each table number, and when I call your number, I'd like you to go sit in your assigned seat on the carpet into a nice big circle. So table 1, why don't you go ahead over to the carpet and sit down. Here we go. All right, table 2, let's make your way over safely here to the carpet. Table 3. All right, table 4. And table 5. Okay, now that you're in a nice circle, can you look up here at the projector? I'm going to show you a video on what we're going to be talking about today. So if you can just pay attention for a minute. Okay, there's our cloud video. So, let's find what I need here. Here we go. Okay, and next we're going to, sing the cloud song. Now, I have this really cool song, and have you ever heard of When the Saints Go Marching In? It's a really great song, and we're going to be singing to the same beat and rhythm the cloud song, which we are using the 3 types of clouds we learned about over these last couple days' lessons. So first I'm going to sing it, then you're going to sing it, and then I'm going to clap to the beat. Then we're going to use musical instruments and actually shake them and make noise with them to the beat of the music. We're going to do this 4 times, okay? So the song goes like this. Oh, when the clouds go floating by, oh, when the clouds go floating by, I classify these types of families: Cirrus, Stratus, Cumulus. Oh, Cirrus, clouds are high. Oh, Cirrus, clouds are high and thin. They look like commas or feathers, often meaning fair weather. Oh, Stratus clouds are low and layered. Oh, stratus clouds are low and layered. They seem to be a good blanket of gray. To say it just might storm today. Oh, cumulus are high and fluffy. Oh, cumulus are high and fluffy. They look like heaps of cotton candy. Outside the sun, always dandy. Okay, so now we're going to sing it and we're going to do the rhythm to it, okay? So I'm going to tap my leg and I'm going to look at it because I haven't memorized it yet. Oh, when the clouds go floating by, oh, when the clouds go floating by, I classify 3 types of families: Cirrus, Stratus, Cumulus. And we're going to do that. Pretend we did the whole song. All right. Next, do you know what rhythm actually means? What is rhythm? Rhythm is sounds and silences together that make a pattern, and when the pattern is repeated, that's called rhythm. So they have to have a pattern that's repeated. That's called rhythm. So I'm going to pass the musical instruments out, but you need to be very careful with them and not hit anybody with them and not hit them on the ground. You're just going to tap them, or hit how they're used. If they're sticks, you can hit them gently on the ground. Don't hit each other with them. And then after we do this, we're going to be moving back to our tables, and we're going to be having an activity where you're going to sit quietly and fill out the form. And I'm going to have a special presentation on the computer, on the board, so you can watch it. And I'll call you back individually to make sure that you all learn your lesson on rhythm and about the clouds. So first I'm going to share my musical instruments today. All right, so we have a couple different ones. I'm just going to go over them real quickly, and then you can sit down and I'll pass them out. You get what you get, and don't have a fit, okay? So this one's like a drum, tap. This one's a tambourine, makes a lot of noise. This is like a Not really quite sure what it does. Maraca. We have some bells and some sticks. All right, I expect you to be on your best behavior with these instruments. Okay, I'm going to pass these out one by one. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Okay, so now we're going to sing the song together. I'll sing it with the maraca. Okay, now think about what you're singing while we're singing, okay? Think about what these words mean, okay? Oh, when the clouds go floating by, oh, when the clouds go floating by, I classify 3 types of families, Cirrus, Stratus, Cumulonimbus. Okay, that was excellent. Everybody did a great job singing that in its entirety. Now I'm going to ask you to put all the instruments away. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to have everybody go back to their tables, wait until I call your table number, and then we will be doing a PowerPoint presentation, and I'll be calling you back individually to do a little assessment to see what you learned today, okay? So table 5, go back to your desk, okay? And then we'll go table 4, table 3, table 2, and table 1. Okay, so now we are going to have our PowerPoint presentation. Let me get it up and running for you. Let me first be connected. All right, this is the fundamentals in music based on rhythm. So we're just going to go through it here. What is rhythm? It's made up of sounds and silences. Sounds and silences are put together to form patterns. While we let this play, and everybody's up here paying attention, I'm going to call you back individually to work on your assessment. And you'll be doing this rhythm worksheet that we talked about today. Okay, so I'll call you each individually back, and everybody else just needs to pay attention to the front. Okay, so Johnny, come up first. Okay. You want to talk about what you learned today? Can you identify the rhythms? Okay, yep, that's right, okay. Everybody else needs to be paying attention to the board up front, thank you. Okay, Susie, you can come over. Johnny, go back to your seat, please. Walk. Okay, all right. Now that we've everybody done, I want to know what we learned today. Can anybody tell me what we learned about rhythm? It's patterns and silences that, it's noises and that make patterns, right? Okay, so you have to have sounds is the word I've been looking for, and silences, and they all make patterns, all right? So think about that when you think about the 3 different major type of clouds we've been talking about, and everybody have a great day.